Namaskar, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all fine and staying at home. I am Shubham De, your English teacher. Today, I am going to teach you subject English of class KG1. Subject English class KG1. So, students, please look at the board. Today, our first topic is reading the letter and words. WORDS. Reading the letters and the words. Look at the board. Our first letter F G. What is this? It is capital F and F for F-A-N, hand. Look at the board and say loudly F. F for F-A-N, hand. Next word F-O-X, fox. What is this? It is fox. F-O-X, fox. Next letter G. What is this? It is capital G. It is capital G and G for G-O, go. Go is a word. G for G-O, go. G-O, go. Next G-O-A-T, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Read again. G-O-A-T, goat. Okay. F for fan, F-N, fan, F for spot. G for G-O, go and geometry, goat. Next H-I. What is this? It is capital H. H for H-E-N, hen. Hen, H-E-N, hen. Hen for, H for hen, H-E-N, hen. And next, H for H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. Okay. Next, I for I-C-E, ice. I for, look at the board, I for I-C-E, ice, and I-N-K, in. Okay, I for I-N-K, in. So read again our first topic is the first class one. F for F-A-N, fan, F-O-X, fox. G for G-O, go, G-O-A-T, goat. Next H for H-E-N, hen, and H-O-T, hot. Next I for I-C, ice, and I-N-K, in. So this is your first class work. Please write down on your exercise copy. Let's come to the next topic. Our second topic is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Our second topic is, second class mark is fill in the blanks. A dash T, A dash S, B dash T, B dash double L. Okay. So A dash T, A N T, and A N T, and next A dash S, A double S, S, A double S, S. Bat, B A T, bat, B A T, bat, B A double L, ball, B A double L, ball. Okay. So read again our second class work, second topic, fill in the blanks. Read again A dash T, A N T, and next A dash S, A double S, S. Next, B dash T, B A T, bat. Next, B for B, A double L, ball. B double L, ball. Okay. Next, C dash T, C dash W. Okay. C dash T, C A T, cat, C A T, cat, C dash W, C O W, cow. Look at the board. C dash T, C A T, cat, C dash W, C O W, cow. Okay, so it's our second class one. Let's come to the next topic. Our third topic is say the names, names of, say the names of five flowers, flowers, five flowers, and five fruits, fruits. Fruits. Five flowers, rose, rose, lily, lotus, lotus, mari, gold, marigold, and last sunflower, sun, sunflower. So it is our five flowers: rose, rose, lily, lotus, marigold, sunflower. Next, five fruits, five flowers and five fruits. Five fruits: apple, banana, lemon, apple, banana, lemon, lychee, lychee, and orange, orange. Okay, so five flowers, five fruits. Five fruits: apple, banana, lemon, lychee, and orange. So this is our third and last class one. Also it's our homework. Thank you, students. Namaskar.